Hello, I'm Philip Stoten for EMSNow. I'm here at Apex 2013 in California, and I'm joined by Edward Hughes from Aculon. Edward, thanks for stopping by.
Well, Philip, thanks for inviting me.
Before we talk about the product that you've got here, talk me a little bit through what led to its development, what the kind of need in the market is.
Sure, my company Aculon does surface modification. So we treat a variety of surfaces in the optical industry, in the electronics, consumer products, lots of different things. And so we treat metals. And so we were approached a few years ago because it turns out that in the stencil marketplace, you have a problem. And the problem is that paste is sticking in the apertures and creating print quality issues and causing rejects, and it's also causing a lot of inefficiency in the process. And so they asked us, could we treat a stencil?
Okay, and why has that problem occurred now? Is it aspect ratio? Is it smaller and smaller apertures?
I think it's people are trying to get better control of the processes. Certainly the apertures are getting smaller. And when you get smaller apertures, it's more likely the paste is going to get stuck in there. So it's a combination of things. You know, they've solved the early problems, and now some of these things are coming up, and they want to make it go better.
Yeah, okay. And normally the products you produce, are they white labeled, or are they your own brands? Or?
Usually they're white labeled. We're a business to business. This time we've actually launched our own branded product, which is exciting for us. And so we're really kind of thrilled to get out there and talk about Aculon and the products we have, because normally we partner with someone and let them distribute it.
Let them do it. Okay, so tell me about it. Tell me about the product that you've got here.
This is the Aculon Nano Clear. It's a stencil treatment technology. Basically, you apply this via a wipe application to the stencil. Once it's done, the apertures are then through printing will stay clear. And so you're going to basically get better print quality, lower your overall cost, increase your yield as well.
Okay, and who's applying it? Is it being applied by the manufacturer or the stencil provider?
A little bit of both. So the stencil providers have been very excited by this because they can go out and basically show improvements in their stencils. And we're working with some of the large OEMs to basically get this qualified into, so they'll pull this through as well.
Okay, and how long has the product been out there?
Well, we launched this at the start of January. Okay. So this is pretty new.
It's pretty new.
Yeah, but we've been in the stencil marketplace for a few years now.
Okay, and it's been beaded with a few companies. So a few companies are in the pre-approval stage?
Oh, we've done a lot of testing. A lot of people are switching to this product now, and so it's pretty exciting what we've got going.
Yeah, and what about kind of yield improvements? What are they seeing? What results are you getting?
Well, basically you're seeing a pretty substantial improvement in the print quality.
Right.
So I can't give you the specifics on the percentages because the testing some is confidential, but you're getting people basically saying, I need this across a pretty broad variety of my stencils.
Okay, and does that mean they have to clean less in the print process, or?
Yeah. So the under stencil cleaning process, normally you may do 1 print or 5 print cycles to 1 cleaning. Here you probably can do 20, 30 print cycles to 1 cleaning. So your yield and your uptime is quite a big improvement.
Yeah, big improvement there indeed. And you're here in California promoting it, but it's something you're distributing globally.
That's right. We've got a partner in Datum Alloys, who's one of the leading stencil producers or sheet metal producers for the stencil industry. They have a global footprint, and we're really happy to partner with those guys to get this out to everybody.
Yeah, and if they've already been connecting it into their stencil customers.
Yeah, I mean they've got a terrific market presence in Europe and North America and in Asia, and so we've done webinars with them already with all their customers. They've got the information out to their customers. So lots of their customers are already in the qualification process.
Okay, and you expect that to come through pretty soon. And in terms of the markets, it's basically a global product that's being sold. Same price everywhere throughout the world? Same
price, very simple to do business with us, simple to do business with Datum. So we're excited about that. No strings attached. You can buy 1 box, you can buy a pallet. Okay. So it's very easy.
Yeah, okay, well, fantastic. I hope the product goes very well.
Well, I appreciate that. We think it's off to a good start.
Yeah, it sounds very exciting. And would we expect more own brand products from Aculon?
We do have another couple of products, that we're talking about, which is to basically our technology can promote adhesion as well. And so for frames to basically give better adhesion to that, we've got what we call nano stick. It's a pen application you can put around the stencil and basically stops the delamination in the stencil washing process.
Okay, and that's another one that you're going to go out through the same channels?
Yep, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Well, Edward, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for talking to me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Well, thanks, Philip. Appreciate the time. Thank you.